hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out.
Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 23. 2 more days to Christmas. How are you guys doing? And if today is your first time of joining me, you're very much welcome. My name is Temidayo Ojieyan, and this channel is all about faith, food, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do. Also, don't forget to click the like button as well as the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop new videos. So guys, today's vlogmas is just gonna be my busy day. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys what my day is like how I'm starting my day. This is morning and I'm so tired. And I apologize for posting late, guys. Yesterday, I mentioned 2 days ago that my week is going to be very busy, and truly it is very busy. Already I received my cargo, my shipment from Nigeria this morning, so I'm going to be showing you guys. And if you're not following me on my Instagram page, my business Instagram page, please kindly follow me. I'm going to leave the handle on the screen. And this morning I need to get my daughter to the hairdresser's place. She needs to make her hair, and guys, we haven't gotten rid of our braids, so that's what I'm doing this morning. I started already. She's still sleeping. We did some parts last night and we are like halfway gone, so I need to get rid of this braid, wash her hair, and quickly take her to the hairdresser's place. You guys know who does my hair. I'm gonna leave her Instagram handle. If you're in Novascotia, you can patronize her. She's so good with braids, and she's really good with both natural hair and texturized hair, and most especially with kids. She is so patient. So guys, I miss Nigeria so much, especially this period. Like, I've been missing Nigeria. I've been saying that of recent, but this Xmas period really makes me miss Nigeria. My son just corrected me that I should just say Christmas and not Xmas, because some people don't know what Xmas is. And guys, as I was saying, I really miss Nigeria now because of the support system. Like, here you have to do everything yourself. I'm not complaining, guys. I'm not complaining. I thank God for the gift of life, and I actually want to relocate. That's why I'm here. Of course, if I was back home, someone would have done this. I wouldn't bother myself taking out the braids and all that. My husband might probably take her to make her hair, so I feel I'm getting support from him. But there's so many other things that I just need. You just want that can do it yourself, and of course he's working, so there's little you can do. Which is well. I'll just continue what I can do. Okay guys, let me continue losing Nigeria's hair. Bye for now. So I'm using mane and tail conditioner on her hair. This would help to comb easily. If not, there's going to be a wall to comb this hair, because there's some parts that are tangled already, and this usually helps to soften her hair before she makes it as well. So when I'm done combing it, I'm just going to shampoo and use the conditioner again. So now I just want to have smoothie, and I had to go drop my daughter myself because we didn't meet up with when Obi was on break, so I had to take her myself. And right now I need to work on my flyers so that I can post on my social media, as I'll be giving out prizes for reaching 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. And thank you guys for making this happen. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Okay guys, so I'll just go ahead with what I need to do, then go into other things I plan doing for the day. So guys, these are the stuffs I said I was going to show you guys. The shipment that just arrived this morning, and you can see my hands are full already. I have a lot of things to do. Like, I have to sort this tonight. Hi guys, we're back home, and I thought I should just show you my daughter's pretty hair. She's all set for Christmas. Hey Jay, do you like your hair? I know.
And I picked the colors of my beads I wanted on it.
Oh, you picked your bead colors yourself?
White, green, then red.
Oh, nice. That's Christmas color. Good girl. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you do enjoy today's vlogmas. If you do, please kindly click the like button as well as the notification bell. And also subscribe to my channel if you're yet to. Thank you guys. Bye.